Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Roosevelt Middle School, home of the Wildcats in Oceanside, California. Beautiful afternoon, even though it's kind of raining outside. First time in a while. But we focused on leadership and turning our passion into our purpose for today's AM/PM assembly, right? And, the main idea is that, there's so many different ways to be a leader. We can lead by example, more quiet strength leaders, or by our voice, more vocal, loud leaders. There's no wrong way or right way, as long as we're doing something to make a difference, right? As long as we're doing something to make a positive difference. And every action, no matter how small, can make a difference. And I think the students really took that to heart today. There were some pin drop moments in between the lightning and thunder where they really understood that even at a young age, they have this power to, impact a heart forever. Right? And they can just be everyday opportunities, things that we're not doing to get rewards for or get paid for or get trophies for or pizza parties for or make the news stories for. We're just doing it because it's heavy on our heart. And that's why I wear this shirt for this particular assembly. You can see on the image on the screen here that it has the heart as part of this logo, because that's where our passion lies, right? In our hearts. And if we can turn our passion, the things that we're great at, things that we love, our talents, our gifts, our abilities, into helping others, well then, that becomes our purpose. Part of the reason that we're here for the, being on this earth right now, on this planet, is to be there for others. And like Mark Twain, famous author, said, the two most important days in your life, the day that you're born and the day that you find out why. And part of our why, right, we're the people in this room today, the people at the school, our family, our friends, the people that are a part of our lives, the people that we love. And we have to know that we have to put people first and things second. Our goals, dreams, passions, the people in our life, those should be the priorities, right? Everything else is after. But if we can have those at the forefront, all of a sudden we're starting to make a difference. We're starting to see that, all of us have this potential to leave heart prints on people around us, right? That could last for the rest of their lives, if not longer. And, this means too that we see ourselves and others as true miracles. I always trace the M on my hand with the lines on our hand, have at least one on each M, one on each hand. And that M stands for miracle, upside down W for Wildcats, but also for worthy, right? That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to give it and receive it. And once we buy into this, now we go out and we help those that are less fortunate, we serve, that you kind of gain that sense of purpose and that gratification and, just that fulfillment from really doing stuff where you're thinking about your legacy, what you want to be remembered for, hopefully like someone's helping hands, doing the right thing even when no one's watching, and ultimately, sacrificing, your time, your energy, the greatest gift that you can give someone else because you never get it back, right? And if you know that it's going to make a positive change for this world, well, then that's beautiful. And hopefully they really took that home today, and we'll continue on with that for the rest of this year and into next and beyond. And I have one more visit for this school year in 2024, but until then, have a great rest of 2023. You're always on my heart. Thank you so much again for touching my heart today. As always, make sure to hit the subscribe button to pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone tablet if you're watching this video to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.